thought I'd just make a little video. I don't normally do these videos, so hopefully you can see this. This is a VE Series 2, 2012 LFX motor. The purge valve is off of the car. Remove the 10mm bolt, the electrical clip, and I popped the clip off down at the, I think that's the canister end. So this clip is a prick, and I went through about 8 different videos to try and find out, and it was just Commodore's forum where one guy wrote, you know, we've all done this. Screwdriver, lifted these up, little side clips, press them in. All you do, I'm trying to get this in view, push it in. Oh, this worked last time, hold on a minute. Push it in firm, grab the clips, and off it comes. That's not very convincing on video, but that's what you do. You have to push it in because there's this ring around it, and the clips inside latch onto that, so you've got to push it in towards the purge valve and then pull it back out again. I think the Series 1's a bit different where it's got the locking clip, but these are not very intuitive, and probably took me about 25 minutes to find out how to take that off. So I thought I'd just do a little video and see if that helps someone down the line. Bye.